Hi guys, if your Verizon router has this type of yellow light, it usually means that the router is powered on but having trouble with the internet connection or fiber signal or gateway communication. So in this guide, you are going to learn what this yellow light actually means on Verizon routers and how you can properly diagnose the real cause instead of randomly restarting everything. So on most of the Verizon FiOS routers, a solid blinking yellow light typically points to the weak or the lost internet connection. Sometimes it is due to gateway setup issue or failed communication on the ONT box. So the important detail is whether the light is solid yellow or whether it is a flashing yellow light. A flashing light usually means the router is actively trying to reconnect. Now on the ONT or the optical network terminal is a small Verizon fiber box usually installed on the wall inside or outside of the home. So here if the ONT loses signal, the router often switches to the yellow warning light automatically. So in order to fix this, you just have to check whether the ONT has the red alarm or any kind of no power issue or blinking error indicators. Sometimes a damaged fiber signal upstream can trigger the router warning if the router itself is perfectly fine. Afterwards, you need to make sure that the cable is running from the ONT to the Verizon router is firmly connected. Depending on the setup, Verizon may use the Ethernet or coax or MOCA. So sometimes the loose coax connections, the damaged Ethernet cable or the partially disconnected wall plates commonly cause the intermittent yellow light issues. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.